sound effects.
That you can do it. Like on the back row, dude, you can do it because I will fillet you if you can. Oh, he's coming. You take the challenge. Come on, my man. Come on down here. All right, very good. Yeah.
Is there? Okay, so a female. Let's get a female. Okay, that can do it. Right back there. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Cool.
Step right out here. And what is your name?
Jacob.
Jacob. Are you a rapper? I like when you hold that up right there. You're like,
In my spare time.
oh, you got it. Push that button. Hold your leg out. Hi, Jacob. How old are you?
15.
15. All right. Very nice. Very good. Okay, you got it.
What's your name?
Kayla.
Hi, Kayla. How are you, Kayla? You doing okay? Yeah, talk right in that mic.
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah, ask her how old she is.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, I'm just kidding. All right, Jacob. All right, you go to this X right here. You go to that X, okay? Yeah, we put that there for you. Yeah. Here's the thing, okay, Jacob. I'm going to test and see if you can do sound effects, okay? Because if you can't, I'm going to have to find somebody else, okay?
So then I'll be fired.
You will be fired, all right? I know, it's like, wait, this is church. But anyway, all right? So here's the deal, okay? Here's what I want you to do, okay? I'm going to say it's duck hunting season, okay? So I've gone out duck hunting, okay? So a duck is going to fly in, okay? I'm going to stand up. I've got a pump action shotgun. I'm going to, right? Oh, I showed you how to do it. I'm sorry. Anyway, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to aim, shoot, and I need to hear the duck fall, and he's going to land in a pond of pudding. Let's go with pudding, all right? Just to mix it up. Is that cool? All right. You ready? Okay. Did I not explain it?
Not clear sometimes.
That hurts. Okay, very nice. Okay, go ahead. Is he like an F-16?
It's very minor now.
Okay, let's go. Go for it. Can't tell if it's a duck.
Oh, here. Use your duck clacker noise thing.
Oh, yeah, I got a duck call. I'm going to use it real quick.
Yeah. It's a daffy duck clacker. I'm sorry.
I'm trying to call ducks with a cold.
Quack.
That's good.
All right, get the duck over here. It's like a Japanese movie, wasn't it? Got it?
Okay, Kayla. All right, Kayla. That was good, Kayla. Yeah, can you do this? You feel good? Feel good?
Sure.
I know you can. I know you can do this, Kayla. Okay, Kayla. This is my favorite one. Okay. I have a cow. Okay, and I'm going to shoot.
There you go. She's all over it.
She's good. This is a stubborn cow, okay? And the reason why this cow is stubborn is because I'm going to shove this cow in a helicopter, okay? And then I'm going to look at the helicopter guy, the pilot. I'm going to go do like this, okay? And the helicopter is going to go up in the air, okay? And then I'm going to have target practice, okay? Only with the tranquilizer gun, okay? All right? And I'm going to shoot the cow in the behind, okay? Because it's going to become a hamburger at some point.
We say hind quarter.
Oh. In the hind quarter, okay? And then the cow will fall down into a vat of chickens, okay? All right.
Very nice.
Very nice. What's your name again? Oh, what is it?
Holly. Just
Holly.
remember it's Christmas. It's
Okay,
very
Holly.
time of year.
Okay. Into a vat of chickens, okay? Which will be great. So we need to eat more chicken anyway, so this will be perfect. Okay. Here we go.
I bet it's one of those chickens from Chick-fil-A.
I bet it is.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay. Stubborn cow.
Wait. Is that the cow or Eddie?
I kind of know what I'm saying still.
Big dude.
Here we go.
Where'd you have your hand? That cow was so uncomfortable.
Trying to get the cow in the helicopter. Okay. All right, helicopter guy, take it up. we got some sound effects. Okay, this is great. Okay, so
we need a story. Let's scoot this way, because like the center of the stage is over here. Okay, they're getting way too good of a show. All right. So real quick, just shout out some stories from the Bible that you might like us to act out. Go ahead. Samson. Very nice. What'd you say? Joseph when he gets sold by his brothers. Okay. Somebody say over here, David and Goliath. You did? Good. That's what we were planning on. Let's do that.
All right. Okay. Who do you want to be?
It's just the illusion of participation.
Who do you want to be?
Oh, I have to be David.
Why? Why do you have to be David?
Because, well, the Bible says he was ready-headed. It does. Let's say bald-headed.
All right. I'll be Goliath. It's Kayla, right? Okay, Kayla, I'm Goliath. This is him. Okay.
Just make sure I'm right.
Okay. You're gonna do sound effects for me. He's gonna do sound effects for Tom.
You're gonna do sound effects for me.
So I am going into the Elah Valley to see who will fight me. Okay. Philistine, big, tall, giant, 9 feet tall. Okay. I'm gonna walk out there. Here we go. Ready? Boom. Stepping on some landmines here. Wow. I'm a giant.
You are a giant.
I think I killed a Smurf on that one.
Hey, I think it was Happy Smurf who just laughed.
You're doing awesome. Oh, my phone's ringing. My phone's ringing. Oh. No, not a landline.
She's doing an Old Testament phone.
I got one of those iPhones and I just downloaded a really current, real popular ringtone from a current top song. You know, can't even talk. Yeah, so go ahead. Any pop song from the 70s, 80s, 90s, or today. Anything.
Bye, 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 bye.
That's how I feel. All you guys are bye, bye, bye. Yeah.
It makes sense. Goliath wore a skirt. Yeah.
It's my wife. Hold on. Hello?
Hi.
She's so sweet.
She's syrupy sweet.
Hey, honey, what are you doing? What are you calling me? I'm out fighting. What's going on?
I just want to know what you want for dinner.
Honey, I haven't been home. Have you not noticed I have not been home in about 40 days?
Well, I was hoping I'd make your favorite, so you would.
Why do the good ones always marry bad guys?
Honey, look, come on. I'm a Philistine. I'm fighting the Israelites. I cannot go. I gotta stay here and fight, okay? Come on. Look, I don't want to fight with you. I'm sorry.
Whatever.
Honey, listen to me.
No, I don't want to hear it.
Do you notice how the women didn't cheer when she was nice? She's mean and they're like, yeah!
Honey, listen to me. I'm sorry, man. My job gets the better of me. I know I don't use words like I should. So let me just say that I'm sorry. I can't wait. Can't wait to get home.
I'm sure you are.
What can I say to make this up to you?
It's more like, what are you going to bring me?
Hey, at least we know why Goliath was so mean.
All right, I'm going.